Welcome guys, today I am with the Huawei CM510 speaker and I will show you how you can pair it with your MacBook. First of all, click and hold this button until this indicator starts blinking. As you can see, there it is, so we can just release the button and put this speaker close to our device, and then we have to go for the settings. We have to go for the Bluetooth and devices, click to add device and select Bluetooth. Next, find your speaker, click on it once, that's the name of it. And as you can see, right now we are successfully connected. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.